Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about what to know before starting to invest in real estate. So make sure to watch the full video. Real estate cannot be lost or stolen, nor can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world. This quote perfectly summed up the advantages of investing in real estate, and for all the right reasons. Real estate is said to be one of the most lucrative investment opportunities around the globe, and Pakistan is no exception. In Pakistan, real estate is considered to be one of the most common and widely practiced investment opportunities. Every year, millions of people invest in real estate because of its benefits and financial rewards. Why you should invest in real estate. And we'll tell you why you should invest in real estate. We have jotted some of the pointers that will help you understand the advantages of real estate investment in depth. Real estate is one of the best investment opportunities out there because of the following reasons. You get the full ownership of the tangible asset. You can easily mitigate the risk associated with real estate by being strategic and informed about the latest real estate market trends. In short, it is easy to predict the real estate market. Property owners get certain tax relaxations on their property. Real estate comes with stability. Unlike other investment opportunities, such as stocks, real estate investment is stable, and the prices appreciate over time. If you are planning on investing in real estate, make sure to know the pros and cons of investing in real estate and tax on property. 1. Diversified Portfolio. In real estate, there are high chances of portfolio diversification. It means you have many opportunities to invest in. You can invest in commercial properties, residential properties, and industrial areas, vice versa. Check out factors affecting real estate market. It is important to know about the different real estate options and how you can utilize them to reap financial benefits. For instance, residential properties can be used for accommodation, rentals, and bread and breakfast services. On the other hand, commercial spaces are solely dedicated to business and commerce. 2. Credibility. Before investing, always consider the credibility and records of the real estate company. Make sure that their product offerings are approved by local developmental authorities. Also, ask around and try to know as much as you can about the company. Also, if they have an online presence, visit their social media accounts and read the customers' reviews. 3. Customer base. Try to contact the people who have been the customers of that specific company. Ask questions and try to grasp as much knowledge as you can. Sometimes, others can provide you with valuable insights as well. So listen carefully and try to gain as much knowledge as you can. Also, the ratio of the customer base is crucial because it tells you about the success rate and credibility of the company. The higher the customer base, the higher is the worth of the company. 4. Transparency. Transparency is the most important element in real estate. It ensures the validity and reliability of the company. Before financing any sort of real estate project, make sure that the operations and processes of the company are clear and transparent. There are many real estate agencies out there that do not ensure transparency. For instance, they will not inform you about all the costs associated with the property, such as maintenance costs, vice versa. 5. Safe and secure investment. Before investing, make sure that the investment is 100% safe and secure, and there are no hidden terms and conditions attached to your purchase. By safety, we mean that your money will be safe with the company and your money will not get blocked in any way possible. A good investment is secure, gives you ROI, and has high liquidity. If all these 3 elements are present in your investment, you are good to go. If you are looking for transparent and secure real estate projects within major cities of Pakistan, we suggest you have a look at the following projects. These projects are located at prime locations, making them stand out from the crowd. If you have low capital, do not worry, because you can still invest in these lucrative projects. You can invest in these projects from 17 lakhs and onwards. The best thing about these projects is that they will provide you with annual estimate gains and a money-back policy. 6. Location. The location of your investment can make all the difference. For instance, if you are investing in a shop in a commercial hub, your chances to benefit from the investment may improve by many folds. Similar is the case with residential properties. Residential properties will not only ensure a good resale value, but it will also yield good rentals. Check out Invest in a Shop or a House. 7. Research about market trends. The State Bank of Pakistan (SBP) reported that the construction and the housing sector has been consistently higher than 9% over the past decade. It is crucial to be informed and up to date with all the latest market trends and news. It will not only allow you to make a better and more informed investment decision, but it will also help you to become a risk-aversive. 8. Installment plans and down payments. Many real estate projects sound lucrative and attractive. However, they may come with a high price and risks. For instance, some firms have very rigid installment plans. Look for projects that offer you flexible and easy-to-pay installments. Also, be clear about the down payments. Usually, if you will pay a larger down payment, you will have to pay easy and manageable installments, and your number of installments will also reduce. 9. Money-back policy. Not all real estate firms offer a money-back policy. However, Grana.com, Pakistan's smartest property portal, offers money-back policy. It means that if you think your investment purchased by Grana is not making money, you can always sell it back to the company. Grana is providing real estate investment solutions. No one offers such services in Pakistan, where you get a secure and transparent investment opportunity with an option of money back. These are some of the factors that are of pivotal importance. Make sure you consider all of these before making any kind of investment. If you want to know more about real estate, like 1 marla to square feet, follow real estate podcasts, real estate books, real estate YouTube channels, and real estate blogs. If you have any questions or confusion, let us know. We will be more than glad to help you out. Get to know top insurance companies in Pakistan. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.